Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I'm using liner material because my fabric is too thin. This is where I'm combining my fabrics, turning it into one fabric by zigzagging it together, wrong sides touching. Now we have to hem the bottom on the long piece, as well as the top, making sure that our elastic can fit. And repeat the same things on the sleeves. To make a guide for our middle elastic, we're going to measure down 3 inches from the top and draw this line all the way across. Now put your elastic into your top casing. Sew it down on both sides and start pinning your middle elastic on each side. You're going to stretch and pull this elastic as you zigzag and follow that line. Put this piece right sides together and sew down the side seam. Then take your sleeve pieces and put the elastic in those casings. Put your sleeve pieces right sides touching and sew down the side seam. And we're just going to attach the sleeves onto the bodice by doing a little tack on both sides. And this is the finished crop top. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.